washing and drying machine. Biforce Technology washing and drying machine is designed for automatic cleaning and drying of batteries. This machine is divided into 4 blocks. In the first block, a preliminary washing with simultaneous neutralization of the acid on the battery body with sodium hydroxide solution is carried out. The cleaning block is equipped with 3 brushes made of acid-resistant plastic, with a servo motor drive and adjusting shafts which allow setting up the machine for cleaning different types of batteries. Detergent is supplied to the cleaning zone for greater efficiency. In the rinsing zone, the supply of clean water is provided by a lot of nozzles that correctly distribute water over the entire surface of the battery, eliminating the presence of untreated areas and corners. The drying block is equipped with 4 powerful fans, which supply hot air through nozzles to the blow zone. A well-thought-out arrangement of each air nozzle ensures effective removal of moisture from the body and battery cover. Separate conveyor belts of washing and drying blocks prevent the accumulation of water in the drying zone. The machine is also equipped with tanks for collecting water with controlled heating function, located under neutralization, cleaning and washing units. Tanks are equipped with pumps for water circulation, which helps to reduce its consumption. The machine's case is closed with anti-emergency panels equipped with doors with polycarbonate glazing, so the washing and drying process can be controlled by the operator. The housing design provides heat and noise insulation. The frame, case and all metal elements are made of 316L stainless steel. Reducers are covered with acid-resistant paint. The machine is equipped with a motorized polypropylene conveyor with a simple and quick adjustment of the guides, which transports the batteries through all the zones of the machine. Control. Automation of technological processes is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a Siemens built-in touchscreen, which allows entering the necessary parameters and control of the washing and drying process. Advantages. The appearance of starter batteries is certainly the first important component of effective sales and a successful marketing strategy. Batteries with traces of electrolyte on the body are not only exposed to the risk of increased self-discharge, but also largely lose the external appeal and advantages over competitors on the trading rack. Washing and drying machine of Biforce Technology is designed to provide the ideal presentation of the produced batteries. In addition to neutralizing the acid and thoroughly cleaning the case, the machine provides 100% drying of the batteries, which means no undesired moisture during the packaging process.